Originally, I wanted to start off my last lecture by telling everyone just how much I hated high school. Whether that's the absolutely meaningless assignments that we've had to do, the annoying people that I've come into contact with, or just the overall stress. I could go on for days, and I'm sure most of you probably could. But instead, I want to focus on one particular thing about high school that I hate more than anything. And that is just how much time that has been stolen from me. For example, I've known since the 7th grade that I wasn't going to pursue a career in math or anything that even had something to do with math. But here I am, 6 years later, still struggling in a math class that I've been taking. And I think I've come to the realization that high school and school in general has stolen an hour from me every school day that I've taken a math class, which has been every year, of course. And of course, you think an hour, it's just an hour. But when you think about the big picture, we have 85 years on this planet, maybe more, maybe a lot less. Nothing is guaranteed. Hell, no one can even guarantee if there's anything after this life. And so when you think about it like that, okay, so high school has stolen an hour from me every school day for years. Middle school did the same thing before that. And so when you really add it up, you find that you may have wasted days. For you, it might not be math, it might be some other class, but the point is, you've wasted a lot of time. And yes, high school is important. High school is something that we have to do, and we're all here working towards our future, not towards right now. But it doesn't matter if it's right now or if it's 50 years from now when you realize that just that little bit of extra time that was stolen from you still has value. And so that's one thing that I've learned over the past 4 years, is the value of time, the value of 30 seconds. And I've come to realize that every minute that passes when I'm spending it doing something that I love, spending time with my family or my loving girlfriend, it's something to be cherished. For those of you that are close to me, you know that my dog of 9 years passed away a few weeks ago. And now all I can think about is just all of that time that I wasted through those 9 years. And so as we move on and we go to college and we go on with the rest of our lives, I want you to know that every second that you spend doing it or doing something that you love, no matter what that is, that's important. And that's something that you should always focus on. Because whether we like it or not, even if you think 85 years is a long time, it's not a long time. We don't have all the time in the world to just waste a couple minutes doing something. And so, although I can say that yes, I have absolutely despised high school, one thing that I didn't despise is that it taught me to value every second that you have. And I don't think anything can take that away from me. And no one should be able to take it from you. I just want to thank you all for struggling with me, even if we didn't get along. Every second that I spent talking to you or not talking to you, I am the quiet kid, obviously. It's still valuable to me. Even if I hate you, that time that I spent hating you, it has to be valued. It can't be wasted. And so with that, I leave you with this. Time is something that none of us will ever be able to get back. Spend it wisely. Thank you.